If you've got a Fire HD tablet and you're trying to install an app that isn't on the Amazon App Store, don't waste time with random hacks. I'm going to show you the simple, correct way to sideload apps on a Fire HD tablet in 2026 using Silk browser, because honestly, it's the easiest way. If this saves you time today, hit like. It helps more Fire tablet users find the correct steps. Sideloading simply means installing an APK or an Android app file from outside the Amazon App Store. It's perfect if you want to install apps Amazon doesn't offer or add tools and utilities that aren't listed in your region. Now, a quick pause here for a question so I know which device is most popular. Comment Fire if you're doing this on a Fire HD 8 or HD 10 if you're on a Fire HD 10. This is the main switch that makes sideloading possible. Without it, nothing installs, so do not miss this step. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Apps from unknown sources. On some devices this may say Install unknown apps. Tap Silk browser, then toggle on Allow from this source. If you see Silk now says allowed when you go back, hit like right now because you've just completed the main switch that makes sideloading possible. Now open Silk browser and go to 28907.net. This is a shortcode to my site where you'll find hundreds of apps for movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, and more. When the page loads, you'll see an access token screen. This is there to stop millions of bots hammering the site and slowing it down for real users. Here's what to do. Copy the web address shown on the token screen. Open a new tab in Silk and paste that address to open the token generator. Tap Generate Token, then copy the 6-digit token. You will see ads open in a new tab, but they're just third-party ads. Close those tabs, and when you have copied your token, go back to the original 28907.net tab, paste the token, and continue. Once you're in, you'll see categories. Pick what you want, choose an app, and hit the blue download button. When it asks to download, press download. When the file finishes, tap the download notification or open Silk's download list. Tap the APK, then tap install. When it finishes, tap Done or Open to launch it immediately. Comment Done if you got your first app installed. I want to see how many of you got it working first try. That APK file stays on your tablet after the app installs, and if you sideload often, your storage ends up packed with old installer files. To clean it up, open Silk, go to Downloads, tap the 3 dots next to the APK and hit Delete. If you don't see the 3 dots, press and hold the file, then delete. So that's the easiest way to sideload apps on a Fire HD tablet using Silk browser. Enable Silk to install unknown apps, go to 28907.net, generate your access token, and pick an app. Download the APK and tap it to install. And finally, delete the APK installer afterwards to keep your storage clean. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and comment Done so it's saved in your history, and I'll heart as many as I can. And one last thing, if you're sideloading apps and streaming in 2026 without using a VPN, your ISP can see what you're doing, and you're basically browsing with the curtains wide open. That's why I use NordVPN. It helps keep your connection private. especially on home Wi-Fi and public Wi-Fi, and it's the easiest VPN to run on Amazon devices. After you grab NordVPN using my link below, install it on your Fire tablet, sign in, and connect before you start browsing and streaming. It's a simple step that helps keep things safer and more private. If you want direct help with your Fire TV or tablet, access to content I can't post publicly, or priority replies, check out my channel memberships. Members get into my private chat group where I answer questions personally. Just tap join below. Make sure you subscribe for more streaming tips and device guides. Give me a follow over on X and TikTok, and check out the unboxd.tech YouTube channel for more streaming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.